Hey guys, my name is coderreal, and in this quick tutorial I'll show you how to play Super Mario Maker online for free if you don't have a Wii U. Obviously if you have a Wii U, you can set up Nintendo Network and play that way. But this is just a completely different project, and I want to make a quick tutorial about it because you're gonna have to do some things. It doesn't work the best, but once you figure out how to fix like the little issues with it, it's fine. It works great. So first of all, you're gonna want to open up Google and search SMM server. So you're gonna get this link, smmserver.github.io. We're gonna download this right here, SMM server, open source private server for Mario Maker. So as you can see, it doesn't work at the best, but at least you can play the 100 Mario challenge. And yeah, the course browser, it does kind of work. There is a bug with it, and I'll probably do a final part showing how to fix the part that's wrong with it. So anyways, we're gonna download it now. So it's gonna take you to this mega.nz link. We're gonna download it real quick. It's gonna take a second. Alright, as you can see, we have downloaded SMM server. Zip, so we're gonna real quick extract it. This actually takes a while because there's a lot of small files. Alright, it has finished extracting, which means that we can start actually setting stuff up. So you're going to open up the folder here, and you're going to run SMM server as administrator. We're going to run it, and we're in. Now you might get a pop-up telling you to install .NET. For me, it was already installed, but you might get a pop-up that's going to tell you, hey, you need to install this Windows feature. Install the Windows feature, and you should be fine. Now we're gonna start our server. So as we can see, it seems to work, which I'd be impressed if it actually does work, because a lot of the time it doesn't work first try. Let's start CMU here. Hello, I'm gonna start CMU. CMU. Okay, now it's working. So we're gonna go file, and then so here I have Super Mario Maker. Okay, well I got pretty lucky here, and it just worked. Now usually it just doesn't work first try, and there are ways to fix it. I don't have a controller set up. Right, well, I've unlocked the main menu. Thank you, Nintendo, for that. Just go on course world here, and it should work. Do continue, obviously. Okay. Okay. So as you can see, the game has actually worked. So that wasn't expected. It usually doesn't work first try, and a lot of the time it yeah. I'm honestly surprised. But if it doesn't work, there are two debug steps that you can do. First of all, I'm going to show them to you. I'm going to probably edit the things. Basically, there are these two commands that you can try running in command prompt. One is for if you have VMware installed, because VMware uses one of the ports that SMM server needs. And if one of the ports that the server hosting needs, the server will just not host properly and it will break. So a VMware kind of does that. So that's number one. Number two, if you just don't have anything installed and it still won't work, you can type netstop http. I honestly don't exactly know what it does. It stops a few HTTP services, and like I'm pretty sure one of them just happens to use the same port, which basically breaks it for the exact same reason. I don't know the exact reasoning. Honestly, finding the solution was really hard. It took me a very long time to find it, and I like whenever someone posts on the GitHub being like, hey, it doesn't work, I send them the command, they're like, oh wow, it fixed it. So I just wanted to make that quick clarification. Now I wanted to give a quick few bugs that are kind of known in this version of it, even though it's the last version. In the 100-man challenge, or 100 Mario challenge, Super Expert, whenever you unlock it and you do anything and you reset the game or something, it will like not unlock again. Try to find a way to force unlock it. Pretty sure it has to do with the fact that in play info it shows that you never beat expert, and even if you beat expert, the numbers never update. That's probably what causes this bug. I don't know how to fix it. What I did know, what I found a fix for, is like the course search, because this also has a bug, and the bug is that whichever difficulty you select, it will always fetch normal courses. So if we look here, so as you can see, it will always look for highlights normal. If I select easy, it'll always look for normal pages. It will always just tell it to get normal stages. I don't know why, because I fixed this issue and it took me like 5 minutes. So I'm going to show you how to fix it real quick. Hopefully the guy who made SMM server doesn't get mad at me. If you don't trust the code, it's fine. You can just move on with your day and do something else. But real quick, I'll show you how I fixed it. So you're gonna go in here and you're gonna go into the Nintendo clients folder, and there's example SMM server. Now I don't have an IDE, so we're just gonna use Notepad. And yeah, this is gonna be okay. It's gonna be kind of hard without having anything. I honestly didn't even have to do that much work. Like basically they already had these comments that showed a lot of like how to understand stuff. So you're gonna look all the way down here at the elif unknown3 = 0 detected course browser. So this is basically where we're gonna put code. I'm not even gonna write any code here. And ironically, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna take all of this awesome code that is already written for 100 Mario, and we're just gonna copy and paste it. We're gonna do a small change for it to it though. It's not like a full really thing. We're gonna do this, and here we go. Okay, so there's only one change we need to do here, and it's to change this number to 34. And also, if you try to go to all, it will crash the server. So don't select the all option. The all option doesn't work. I've tried to fix it. I haven't found a fix that actually does what I want it to do. So yeah, where is the return? Did I not copy the return? Yeah, I didn't copy the return. It's really hard to see when actually it's not colorful, and it's actually really hard. Okay. Wow. Well, we don't want 50 stages, we just want 10. And that's basically it, I'm pretty sure. Let me test it real quick. Okay, seems to have done something. Okay, well, I didn't put the line of code that shows us what it's doing. Let's see if it's actually fetching Super Expert courses here. Okay, so we have the darkness, it comes. Kind of apply. Comes, as you can see, the darkness it comes is a Super Expert stage by LLB. As you can see, we are fetching now Super Expert courses. For this we weren't. And just to show you, don't select the all option, it will crash the game. Yeah. So you've soft locked, and you're also soft locked, and the server will have crashed. So don't use the all option. I don't know how to fix it. I kind of got something. I just made it random. It It's not what the L option do. I'm not gonna show you code that isn't good. Really, I'm not gonna waste your time with that. So with that, we have basically made this very playable. You can basically enjoy playing Mario Maker 1 on your computer. And yeah, thank you for watching this really bad video probably.